So here we have the HTC Wildfire S. It's from 2011, whatever you want to call it. And we're going to unbox it, have a look at Android 2.3.5, and yeah, just use it, I guess. So first let's have a look at the box. So this is the top of the box, HTC Wildfire S. And then that's the front. On the side it says printed with soy ink. And over here it says surf the web in multi-window style browsing, pinch to zoom, and auto text reflow and flash video support. It has, let's just skip that. So it has a 600 megahertz CPU. It has 512 megabytes of read-only memory and 512 megabytes of RAM. It weighs 105 grams. It has a 3.2 inch touchscreen, internal GPS antenna. It's not 4G. I don't think, I think it's 3G. It's Bluetooth 3.0, 802.11b or N Wi-Fi, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB port. And it has micro SD, but does not have a selfie camera. So let's open this up. So there we go, that's the Wildfire S there. Boom, chicka boom. I don't think there's any manuals in this box. But yeah, that's it. So if we plug it in, we can power it on. And this was a telecom locked one. Now Spark. So as you can see, we've got LEDs up there. This is a very small phone. The original iPhone had an even bigger screen than this. Like, if we get the iPhone 4S, the non-working one, like, just look at that. So compared to my hands, yeah. So let's just wait for it to boot up. HTC, quietly brilliant. Telecom. Okay, so there's our lock screen, if you can actually see it. I'll unlock it. So as you can probably already tell, the screen isn't very bright on this. Okay, so let's, okay, so that's the default skin for this phone. Let's take a photo. So this thing only has a main camera. It does not have a selfie camera. So let's just go ahead and take a photo. And that should show on the screen right now. And now let's just take a video. Hello, this is testing the microphone and video of the HTC Wildfire S. Hello. Now let's test let's see what preloaded apps are on here. So on here right now there's calculator, calendar, call history, camcorder, camera, clock, there's above it, downloads, Facebook, FM video, friend stream, gallery, Gmail, Google settings, HTC hub, HTC likes, internet, learn more, local, mail, maps, messages, music, navigation, Netflix, news and weather, people, phone, Play Store, quick lookup, search, settings, setup, sim toolkit, stocks, talk, transfer, videos, voice recorder, voice search, weather, Wi-Fi hotspot, and Yahoo World or something, and your telecom and YouTube. There's so many preloaded apps. So, let's look at the clock. So, this thing actually has a clock that just goes like that, unlike iPhones. So should we mess around with some settings? So let's see the ringtone, I guess. So the default ringtone on this would be Quietly Brilliant. So I'm just assuming that Quietly Brilliant, I'm assuming that that's the original ringtone. So these are all old Android. There's just hang up. Old phone. And then there's also, so those are just some of the old sounds on this phone. And then, if only there was just a set defaults button. Okay, well, let's just skip that, because I don't think you can just set the defaults. So, if we go into so it's got an HVGA resolution display. Honestly don't know what else to say. So should we open up Windride, and I will have a video comparing this to the Vodafone one that we've got in there using Windride. So yeah, the Windride actually runs pretty well on here. Like if we open up the Windride browser or the camera, like it all works pretty well. It's quite cool, this launcher. So yeah, this thing doesn't really work with YouTube anymore, other than when you use the Opera browser. But for some things, if your country still has 3G connectivity, then this could still be used as a phone. Just for calls and texts, basic web browsing, maybe, emails. So yeah, I don't think I can talk about much else with this phone, so shall we open it up? The software has got this whole skeuomorphic theme to it, which is quite cool. Forget it. Let's not do it the proper way. So how you get into this phone is you just open it from the back. Do I have a screwdriver for those screws? Potentially. So if we take this out, that's our SIM card slot, and then over here is our SD card reader. Yeah, so I'm going to see if I can get a screwdriver to open up fully. So I found some screwdrivers, so let's see which one fits. So I think this one might be our best shot. Very close. How about this one? Nowhere near. Nowhere near. Okay, let's try another screw. Wait, no, it's working. I'll try and open it with a different screwdriver. No, I think it has to be this one. It says warranty void. Well, I doubt that's got any warranty now. Right. Okay, I think I've got all of the screws out. So here we have it. That is the inside of the Wildfire S. So if we just click then, so now we can just assemble it further by removing these Phillips head screws, hopefully. Okay, so we've got another screwdriver, so let's take the screw out. This is the first time that I've ever disassembled this phone. Right, well, it doesn't look like we have the smallest one here. Okay. There we go. One screw. Two screw. Now let's just release these connectors. What? There we go. Just like that. And we should be able to... There's one sneaky one down there. Is there another sneaky hidden screw? Wait, you can take these heat spreaders off. So that's the motherboard of the HTC Wildfire S, the main board. The logic board. So there we go, that's our whole main board exposed. So the thing is now to see whether this can actually boot up with the whole board exposed. Let's see if it powers up with just those connectors connected. I'll be extremely careful. No signs of anything. Okay, well, I think that's pretty much it for this video. I'll put it all back together and then sign off. Cue the time lapse. And it works. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed. Remember to like, share this video with your friends, follow us on Twitch and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.